What's up, guys? Today we are going to be discussing the HBorna soft flexible TPU silicone case. I reviewed the HBorna screen protector the other week, and the guys over at HBorna really enjoyed that, so they decided to send me out another one of their devices, or not devices, but I guess cases. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Alright. So we have says new Pro 12.9 2018. Go ahead and open this up. Alrighty, it has a little plastic insert. Alright, so there we go. It does have like I don't know, like a diamond back kind of thing. That's interesting. Oh, seems to be a very thick plastic. I'll go grab my iPad, slide it in, grab my Apple Pencil, see if that'll actually work with this. I really do not know if it'll work with it. So I grabbed my iPad Pro, slide it in. I really enjoyed the HBorna screen protector. It's a very high quality product, so I was kind of excited that the guys wanted me to check this out. It does fit the iPad Pro perfectly. I'm not sure if you can see, but it has like that, it's a weird textured look. It is a silicone case for the iPad. Here's the Apple Pencil. I don't think this is gonna work. Yeah, no. Kind of weird. It holds the pencil, but it does not charge the pencil. It doesn't even reflect that it's even on there. I also thought it was kind of interesting that it had the spot for the smart cover, but that doesn't work either. So to be completely honest, they could have just made this a solid back and left that covered. Same as the Apple Pencil. Little hole, crack thing there. And there would not really be a way for them to get the pencil to work with this, because from what I understand, the pencil has to have contact. And when the pencil doesn't have contact, it just doesn't work. Though, I mean, the magnets, just kidding. Though the magnets kind of hold it on, they don't do quite the job. But overall, I mean, if you're just wanting a silicone protection case for carrying it to class or carrying it to work, going into an office, this is a very sleek product. I'll put the link down below if you guys like to purchase one. Currently, they're going for $14.99 on Amazon. The picture on Amazon doesn't reflect this textured back, but keep that in mind when purchasing. It does have like a kind of like a diamond back kind of texture. But still like the product. Another great thing from HBorna. Hope you guys will check it out. So overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this great product from HBorna. If you did, the link down below will take you straight to the item on Amazon. Hope you guys will purchase one, try it out for yourself. Let me know down in the comments if you like it or not. This is the second HBorna product that I have personally used, and I am happy with it. They make great products. They're affordable. That's the great part about it. If you did enjoy this video, I would really appreciate if you guys would subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once you subscribe, a bell will pop up that will let you get notified of all my latest postings. You can also check me out online at loganstechreview.com. I'm on Twitter at LoganTechReview. There's no S in that. And I'm also on Instagram at Logan's Tech Review. Sometime on Instagram I will post stuff in my story. That way you can kind of get a little sneak peek of what's coming. You guys will follow me on all my channels, and thank you very much for your support.